Hello students, today I'm going to teach you the basics of Tally software on the software or the application itself. And for using the software, we need some shortcut keys. So I'll be teaching you the use of those shortcut keys because when we use the Tally software, we can of course use the mouse or the touchpad for selecting the options, but it is always advisable to use the shortcut keys. We can use the navigation keys and press enter for selecting a particular option, or we can simply use the shortcut keys by pressing certain buttons on the keyboard. So today I'll be teaching you the shortcut keys in this video, the basic ones. And also I will be teaching you how to create a company. I'll show it to you. Ma'am has already taught. So I'll be showing it to you. And then I will be teaching you how to alter a company details or how to shut down an existing company and how to select a particular company to work on it. And the last option that I'm going to teach you today is how to alter the company details, how to delete the company, okay, from the Tally application. So for that, let me share the software screen with you. So when you open the Tally software, this is the screen that appears on your window. Okay, this is the window of the software of the or the screen that appears. Now you see here we are directly going to this option, work in educational mode. For selecting this, if you simply select this, if I press the left key of the mouse and press double click, click it twice, it will open up. But as I told you, we need shortcuts. So W underline. So single underline. Here we can see that there is single underline. Okay. You see, it has single underline. So whenever any option has single underline, that means you have to press Alt and W. For selecting this option, you will have to press Alt plus L. Okay. So let me now show it to you again. You will have to press Alt and W. Then these two more options, sub options appear. We are going to use the option Silver Edition mode for single user. For that, we will press Alt I. Why? Because it had single underline. And then this screen appears, and this box, it is called Gateway of Tally. In this Gateway of Tally, we can keep the records of the accounts, whatever we want to keep. But before teaching you how to keep the accounts, let me teach you the basic things that I told you. And what are the basic things? The basic things are how to create a company, how to shut down, how to delete, how to alter a company. So for that, we will have to go to company info. And company info, you can find it on this green ribbon that appears on the extreme right side of the Tally screen. You will, in this green ribbon, you will find some options are already there, like F1 for select company, F1 single underline for shut company, F2 for date, F2 underline for period, F3 for company info. So you can directly go to shut company using Alt plus F1, but I will teach you how to do all this by going to the company info. So F3 underline, you see this option. Again, I'll show it to you by magnifying the screen. This F3 is single underline, right? And for selecting F3, what am I going to do? Alt plus F3. Here, students, remember one thing. If there is double underline, then what you will do? You will press Control plus F3. If it would be F3 double underline, then what I would do? Control plus F3. But because it is single underline, what I'm going to do? Alt plus F3. Let me minimize the screen. So now for selecting this, what I will do? I will simply do Alt plus F3. I need not go, I need not use my mouse. I'll wherever with the cursor, I'll simply press Alt and F3. Now you see this company info window opens up. And in the company info window, we have this option, select company, shut company, create company, alter, change Tally Vault, and some other options are there which are not required to be explained now. So the first option is select company. What do you mean by select company? You see, there may be many companies that have been opened in this Tally software, and I need to work on a particular company. In that case, I will go to select company and choose the one that I want to work on. At the same time, I would like to say that here you see in the left screen, list of selected companies appear. At one point of time, more than one company may appear here. Okay, more than one company may be selected, but I want to work only on one company. Others I want to shut down. That means I want to minimize. Shut down does not mean delete. Please remember, students, shut company does not mean deleting a company. Shut company means you are simply minimizing that company in the application, and you'll be keeping the company that you want to work on. Okay, and if more than one company are already selected, then you will have to shut the company, the one that you don't want to work on. But and if you want to alter the details of any company, you can use the alter key, but alter option. So, but at present, I want to show you how to create a company. So for creating a company, I can simply select this option and double click on the mouse, left double click to select this, but I will teach you the shortcut again. You see here in create company, C, this C is highlighted in different color. Let me show it to you by magnifying the screen again. You see. So sorry. This, I wanted to show this to you. So this C, it is of capital letter, okay, and it is highlighted. So for selecting this option, the shortcut that is available is that I will press function key in the keyboard, and also I will press, along with function, I'll press this C. If I want to select shut company option, then I will press function and H. For selecting select company, I will press function and S. But now, as I told you, I want to select create company. So I will press control and function and C. So I'll minimize the screen again. Yeah. So when I select the create company option, this screen will open. And suppose I open the company, and the name of the company is Guwahati Company. So company is nothing but the name of the entity for which you want to create the accounts. It may not be a company form of organization. It may be any organization for which you want to create accounts in the Tally. So after selecting Guwahati Company, for moving ahead, what I will press? I'll press enter. Mailing name or address is Guwahati Company. Mailing name is Guwahati Company. Address, I can give the details, which I'm going to avoid as of now. Country is already India. If not, I may select from the drop box that appears here. By default, it is India. State, I will have to select from this list appearing here. Suppose I select Assam. Okay. Then pin code, suppose I press 781003. Enter. I may put all these details. Okay. Suppose I don't want to put all these details, I can directly press Control plus A. Okay, Control plus A means accepting this page as it is. Every time pressing enter key, we can avoid that. And if we want to reach at the end of a page, we may press Control and End. If you want to go back to the top of the page, we can press Control plus Home. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to accept this page regarding dates and all. I would like to tell you one thing. Financial year begins on 1/4/22, and from the same date we want to start our books, then we will start our books from 1/4/22. If our books of accounts begin from some later on date, say business starts 2 months later on 1st May, then 1st May or say 1st June, then our books will begin from 1st June. So anyways, I may give some security options. For that, I'll have to give some password. If not, I will leave it blank. And then these symbols and all, currency symbols and all are given, whatever be it. You can go through them, very easy things you can understand. And then when I keep on pressing enter, at last, this option will come up, accept yes or no. So I have to accept it. I may press enter for accepting, or I may press Y, the Y key. So if I press enter, it is automatically accepted. If I want to reject it, then I will press no, N. I'll press N key. When I press N, it will be not accepted. So I have created a company, and you can see in the list of selected companies, Guwahati company also is showing. Okay, it is reflecting in this page. So at present, two companies are reflecting. Now out of these two, I want to work on say Guwahati company. I want to remove Mesos XYZ as of now. So for that, I'll have to shut this company. And for shutting this company, I cannot do anything here. I'll have to select these options, shut company. And for shut company, I will have to select what? H is capital letter, so function H. So now the list of company appears, and I want to shut which company? I want to shut XYZ. So using the arrow key, I go down, I select XYZ. Now you see in this list of selected companies, XYZ Limited is not showing. This does not mean that XYZ has got deleted. It has not got deleted, dear students. It is still in the Tally software. It's just minimized somewhere inside the software. And I'm going to work on Guwahati Company Limited. Or say if you want to select a company out of the say you don't want to work on Guwahati company, also you want to work on some other company which is there in the Tally software. So for that, or say you want to work in XYZ Limited, which you have just shut down. So for that, you will have to select these options, select company, and the alphabet is S. Okay, so function S, then select company. The list of companies that have been created in this software, all those companies will appear. And of these selected companies, now I want to work on XYZ Limited. So with the arrow key, I'll come down and press enter. And now XYZ Limited also appears in the list of selected companies. Let me shut down Guwahati company. For that, I'll press function H, and I'll shut down Guwahati company. Now which company is therefore working? Messrs XYZ Limited. Now, of this Messrs XYZ, I had put the details, but suddenly I remembered that I did not provide their phone number, or I did not give their address, or I have to change their address. In that case, I will have to go to alter option. For alter option, I will have to press what? A is highlighted. Okay, so function A. Now XYZ Limited appears. I'll press enter, and this after this enter, let me go to the options. Say it was XYZ Limited. So already XYZ Limited, XYZ appears. I'll have to put limited here. Okay. Using the arrow key, I moved ahead. Then I will write Limited. Okay. Then I moved ahead, enter. Okay, I forgot to give the address. So suppose the address is Chanmari, Guwahati. Okay. Then country is India. State I had forgotten to give. So the state, as soon as I go to state, I get the list of options on the screen on this place. I will select Assam, and it will automatically come here. Say the code is 781021. And now I want rest things are okay. So I directly want to accept this page. So Control A and then enter. I'm sorry, Control A. Okay, and then I will, for going back from this page, I'll press escape. Then this option appears, quit, yes or no. You will press yes, escape. Okay, so in this way I have altered the company. Now the last thing that I need to teach you in this video is how to delete a company. Here, two companies were there in the Tally software you saw. One is Messrs XYZ Limited, and the other one is Guwahati Company Limited, Guwahati Company. And out of these two, I want to delete, totally delete. Deleting means erasing from the memory of the Tally software. So for that, for deleting, you will have to go to alter first. So for alter, I will press function A. Okay. And before going to alter, let me select the company. Okay. Control, it will be function S. Out of these two company, which one I want to delete? Okay. I will have to go to select. Now these two companies appear. Guwahati Company and XYZ Limited. Now I want to delete one. So let me go to alter function A. Which one of these two? Which one do I want to alter? Say I want to alter Guwahati Company. Okay, I want to delete it. So I will select Guwahati Company. Already it is highlighted. Okay, background color appears. No gray color. It is already highlighted. Only I have to press enter. Now this company details screen appears. If I want to alter the company, I will do the altering in this screen as I taught you earlier. But if I want to delete it, I will press Alt plus D. As soon as I press Alt and D, this screen appears. It again asks me, delete, yes or no. I want to select yes, I'll press Y. If I want to say no, I'll press N. Okay, let me show you. If I press N, what happens? Again, the previous screen appears. But I want to delete it. Again, I feel no, I need to delete it. So Alt plus D. Then Y. Are you sure? Yes. Y. I can also press the enter key for accepting, for yes. For no, I will have to press N. Now, you see in the list of companies, Guwahati company is removed. Now, you will leave this screen by pressing escape. Okay, and now you have only one company on this software. However, you can create as many number of companies as you want. Even you can create companies of the same name, but their